Meaning of FYROM.
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 FYROM. FYROM is an acronym that stands for Former Yugoslav Republic of Macedonia. It refers to the country that was known as the Republic of Macedonia until 2019, when it changed its name following a historic agreement with Greece. The name change was primarily due to a long-standing dispute with Greece over the use of the name Macedonia, which Greece argues is historically and culturally significant to its own region of Macedonia. The new name was chosen to reflect the country's status as a former Republic of Yugoslavia, and to distinguish it from the Greek region of Macedonia.